Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to pin your favorite Facebook groups for easier access. In today's fast-paced digital world, staying organized is key, and Facebook offers a simple way to keep your most important groups right at your fingertips. To start, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This will open the menu where you can access various Facebook features. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. This will take you to a detailed list of options where you can customize your Facebook experience. In the Preferences section, look for Tap Bar. Tap on it to customize the shortcuts that appear at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of options that you can add or remove from your tap bar. To pin a group, tap on Customize the bar. You'll see a list of available options, including groups. Tap the button beside Groups to add it to your tap bar. However, to truly pin a group for quick access, you need to follow a slightly different approach. To pin a group directly, you should go back to the main menu and tap on Groups. Then, select the group you want to pin. Tap the three dots at the top right of the group's page and choose Pin Group. This will place the group at the top of your group's list, making it easier to find and access. By pinning your favorite groups, you can ensure that you never miss important updates or discussions. Whether you're managing multiple groups or just want to keep your favorite communities handy, this feature is incredibly useful. So, take a moment to organize your Facebook groups today. With these simple steps, you can streamline your social media experience and stay connected with the communities that matter most to you. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more social media tips and updates.